Hello, welcome friends to my podcast. And today I'm going to speak to you about Sri Ganesha in a form of Gajanana. The word Gajanana really means it is derived from a lord with an elephant head and face. So Lord Ganesha in this form defeated a demon Lobasura. Lobasura means somebody who has got greed, who is having lust. So a demon called Lobasura was killed, or rather you could say defeated, by Lord Ganesha. Now let's understand the story of Lobasura. Lobasura was the son of Lord Kubera. Lord Kubera is son of Lord Brahma, who is the creator, the initial creator of the world. Lord Kubera, being the son of Brahma, is really the keeper and the protector of the wealth. He is like a celestial treasurer. So he is a treasurer of gods and he keeps all the wealth. From the fear and lust of Lord Kubera, that was one fine day, he had some lust within himself. From that fear came an energy form. That energy form manifested itself in a way of a small child. So baby was born. The baby was the reason of the lust and the greed of Lord Kubera. Coming to his young childhood, Asuras the demon raised Lobasura after his birth. He was a brilliant student of Shukracharya. Shukracharya is the guru of Asuras. Asuras are nothing but demons. Shukracharya, when he knew this boy was special, he initiated Lobasura into the knowledge of Shiva. He gave him a powerful mantra called Om Namah Shiva and thus made Lobasura a very powerful demon. Emboldened with this knowledge of Shiva, now Lobasura had grown up to be a big mighty human being where he started performing a severe penance to please Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, being a god who bless anybody just by praying to him, he appeared in front of Lobasura and said, "Okay Lord, you have made severe penance towards me. Tell me, what do you want?" So Lobasura asked him for a boon. And Lord Shiva blesses him with the boon of being fearlessness and a long life. Lobasura, being very greedy and lustful, he started conquering small kingdoms. Then he grew up to conquer nations. And then ultimately he conquering the whole universe. Within the universe, he drew away gods. He drew away everybody, humans, from their place. And he started really ruling the world in a very high-handed fashion. Being drunk in power, he forgot that Lord Shiva is the one who actually gifted him this boon. And in this forgetfulness and in his drunkenness of power, he ended up attacking Lord Shiva's abode, that is Mount Kailash. Lord Shiva became very angry and he wanted to kill him. Lord Shiva was bounded by his own boon. He cannot ever kill his devotee. Hence gods and humans, they were both confused and they couldn't understand how to get rid of the demonic rule of Lobasura. One fine day, all the gods and humans together, all the defeated gods and humans together, they went to see Guru Raibha. Raibha, an intelligent soul, after understanding the issue, he guided the gods and the humans to pray Lord Gajanana. The Devs and the Manava invoked the grace of Lord Ganesha and sought his protection and freedom from tyranny of Lobasura. Lord Ganesha sought permission of Lord Vishnu to attack Lobasura so that he can defeat and even kill him. Lord Vishnu wanted to avoid bloodshed. Hence, in his wisdom, he became the messenger of Lord Gajanana. Being a messenger of Lord Gajanana, he met Demon King Lobasura to tell him about the strengths of Lord Gajanan. Lord Vishnu's intervention really worked. Demon King Lobasura became scared. And he got so scared, he surrendered without fighting and pleaded Lord Gajanana to spare him of his life. In return for his life, Demon Lobasura freed all the kingdoms he had captured and promised Lord Gajanana that he would never ever trouble Lord Gajanana's followers and devotees. If you see in present times, we still have greed and lust within us. As Demon Lobasura is alive among our human mindset. But as is promised, he does not trouble his devotees in present days and will never trouble Lord Ganesha's devotees and followers in the future. Sankashti Chaturthi day is a lunar calendar, the fourth day of waning moon. It is a special Sankashti Chaturthi day in July, or you can say Ashad in Sanskrit. On Sankashti Chaturthi day in the month of July, the demon king Lobasura was defeated. He was defeated with the efforts of Lord Vishnu in the name of Lord Ganesha. Hence, Lord Ganesha is prayed in Vishnu Peeth on a special day in a form of Gajanana. And this is the story of Lord Ganesha in the form of Gajanana, where he took over and defeated the demon king Lobasura. Thank you very much.